Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel Quick Guide, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can change your appearance on your OnlyFans account on your PC. To do so, first of all, just go onto your Google Chrome browser and search for onlyfans.com and you'll be on the official site of OnlyFans. And now just log into your account on OnlyFans, and after that you'll be on the homepage of it. And on the homepage and on the left side you can see an option for more. If you click on more, you can see an option for dark mode with many others. Now if you click on dark mode, then the mode of your OnlyFans account will be changed from light to dark on your PC. And that's how you can change the appearance of your OnlyFans account on your PC. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review. And for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.